Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about what does a Doordash red card do. So basically right here, the Dasher red card is a prepaid card that Dashers use to pay for items on their Dasher shop and delivery offers. So this will automatically be funded when you check out for a shopping offer or even when your red cards are not linked to your Dasher bank accounts or related to your earnings. So the red cards can be used digitally, so it can be stored digitally in a wallet in your phone, or you can even have it a physical one from ordered from the DoorDash store. So this is how it would look like. So as you can see, DoorDash US red card. So basically this will be only for US use. So the red card will be shipped via priority mail within 2 business days, within 7 to 10 business days or less with the tracking. So as you can see, you can even get it in the store itself, so you don't have to wait for the shipping. But as you can see, this was due to COVID-19 back then, so it's not really an issue today. So there's also other shipping methods if you want to order it and you don't want it to be only virtual. So there you go guys, that is what a DoorDash red card can do. Basically you can get many things such as shop and deliver. It's just like a debit card, but mostly just for the use of your DoorDash. And that's it. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.